Ready to shift your ride into high gear with a unique finish? Well, stay tuned and I'll show you what Shift is all about. Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Brian and welcome back to the Dupli-Color Garage, where we show you how to restore, restyle, and protect your vehicle in your garage using Dupli-Color products. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate another great product from Dupli-Color called Shift. Now, Shift is a unique paint made up of a pearl flake that changes color based on light source, the contour, the shape that it's applied to, and the angle that it's viewed. Our color shift line is made up of Dragon Tail, our purple to green, our Dragon Scale, purple to blue, and Dragon Fire, maroon to gold. Now, Shift is formulated for the maximum color shifting effect over black or dark colored surfaces. However, it can be applied over any base color, which makes it ideal for automotive accessories, components, or anywhere a color shifting effect might be used. So in this video, I'm going to paint this wheel using our Dragon Fire maroon to gold shift. However, I mentioned it works best over black and dark colors. Now, even though this gray is a dark color, I do want to paint it black. So what I'll have to do here is get this all sanded down, ready for some black paint, and then apply the shift.
I start off by scuffing the surface using a combination of 400 grit sandpaper and a red scuff pad to create a mechanical bond for the paint to adhere to. I then used compressed air to blow off the sanding dust, and then used our multi-purpose foaming prep cleaner to remove any remaining dust residue for a clean surface that is ready for the black base coat. If needed, mask off any areas you don't want painted to protect from overspray. In my case, I didn't need to mask anything off. For the black base coat, I used our semi-gloss black engine enamel DE1635. Before applying, shake the can for 2 minutes and apply when temperatures are between 60 and 95 degrees Fahrenheit with low humidity. Always spray in a well-ventilated area and wear personal protection equipment. To apply, hold the can 6 to 8 inches from the surface and apply 2 to 3 light to medium coats in an even back and forth sweeping motion, allowing 10 minutes between coats. Allow the base coat to dry for about an hour before applying Shift. Apply Shift in the same way as the black base coat, with 2 to 3 light to medium coats in an even back and forth sweeping motion, allowing 10 minutes between coats. Apply the paint as evenly as possible and maintain a wet look throughout for the ultimate Shift effect and shine. Do not apply Shift too heavy, as it may affect the color shifting properties. Shift dries to the touch in 20 to 30 minutes, can be handled in 1 hour, and fully cured in 24 to 36 hours.
All right, I have all the coats down and this wheel looks absolutely amazing. Now, a couple things to keep in mind when applying this product. We put down the black base coat. I mentioned this product works best over black or dark colors. However, it will work over lighter colors as well. You just won't get that super distinct color shift. Then I put down about 3 coats of the shift, each coat fairly wet to get that high gloss finish. Now, this is not clear coated. It might look like it. It can be clear coated with our high gloss 1K clear if you want that added protection, but this gloss is directly out of the can and looks amazing. Now, don't limit yourself. This product is very versatile. Wheels, interior, exterior. You could use it on bikes, guitars. Use your imagination. The possibilities are endless. Now, if you want to find out more about the products that we used for this wheel or other great products from Dupli-Color, visit duplicolor.com.